Hello everyone, welcome back to HowToRevisedFashionWinterOutfits. This is me. So to you my dear viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my vlogs, and today I'm going to share another exciting vlogs for you. Okay, sit back and relax and watch this video till the end, and I'll see you later. This is my sweatshirt that is already repaired or revised, remove the turtleneck, and now it looks simple but comfortable. And this is my winter scarf, handmade, and this is my winter cap. This is Telsa will teach you how to revise your clothes and create a simple scarf and simple winter cap. So sit back and relax, watch this video till the end so that you can see the process on how I created all this winter fashion attire. So guys, ito na yung damit na pinutulan ko dito ang neckline. This is already the sweatshirt that I already cut off the turtleneck, and look at this. So it's already free, and look here, okay na siya. So I am already comfortable without the turtleneck. So it's looking good. So it looks like a brand new now. It's just a simple way on how to revise your clothes, your old clothes, and you want to revise it to look it new look. Okay. So guys, this is my matching winter scarf. This is aquamarine blue, so I am going to show you how I created this crochet. Just a simple stroke, just like this. Just follow and watch my hand while I am doing this simple handmade crochet winter scarf. So it is just simple like that. So just pull out the thread. First you have to insert it and take out the thread from the first loop, and then to the second loop and to the third, and continue the process and just do it continuously. And then here I am attaching a new color as a border for the side, another dark blue color in order to match for my sweatshirt, the dark blue, so it will be only on the other side. So the length of this scarf is just 2 meters or more than 2 yards, and the width for this scarf is just 10 inches or less. Hindi siya masyado makapal kasi ano siya, idudoble lang to. So this 2 yards you have to fold it and then wear it along in your neckline. So this is how I transform my turtle neckline sweatshirt, and I create a scarf in order to cover my neckline, to keep my neck warm because it is still cold this time, although it's already spring season. So now here is it. This is already my winter scarf, and this is it. Very beautiful, very fashionable. So here is my matching winter cap or bonnet. Look at here, with pom-poms, and this is a combination of different colors that is much related to the blue color. So I'll show you guys, this is now the transformation of the sweatshirt. Before it has a turtleneck, now I cut off and I folded it, look, and now it's already comfortable, look. And I also make a scarf. I crochet a scarf which has blue and aqua blue. So this is 2 yards or 2 meters. Just fold it and look at here. This is enough for the neckline, so that is why no need to have a turtleneck. So if you want to warm up your neckline, just use this and wear it like this and put it here this way, and it is more comfortable because it is adjustable. You can wear it or you can take out. And also I have here a handmade crochet winter cap to match my outfit. And look at this one, it matches this one. This is multi blue colors, from light colors to different kinds of blue. And this blue, I put the combination here in the side to match for t-shirt, and this aqua blue to match for my winter cap. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you get an idea on how to revise your old clothes in order to look something new and something fashionable. If you know how to crochet, that is good for you. And if you know how to make a stitching, to make tailoring, so if you know how to make tailoring, you just buy one sewing machine at home and you can do everything what you want. Okay, like me, I have my own sewing machine, so I can prepare, I can revise my clothes to look something new, something fashionable, and try to learn how to crochet. This is only a simple crochet making. Okay, this is just this very simple crochet. So if you want to learn, just watch my video tutorial on how to create a scarf, winter scarf, how to revise your sweet shirt. So this is me. Mukha na bang fashionable? Bye for now, and thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Ciao. See you in my next tutorial. Hasta la vista. Vielen Dank. Happy weekend. This is my sweatshirt that is already repaired or revised. Remove the turtleneck, and now it looks simple but comfortable. And this is my winter scarf, handmade, and this is my winter cap. This is Telsa. Will teach you how to revise your clothes and create a simple scarf and simple winter cap. So sit back and relax, watch this video till the end so that you can see the process on how I created all this winter fashion attire. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to RAFTHELSAVLOGS. And don't forget to come back soon. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.